Most people don't want to hear this. And this talk right here is so important. Don't Your relationship isn't struggling because your partner doesn't love you. It's struggling because you don't listen, you don't pay attention, or maybe you just feel like you're not being heard. And feeling unheard over time doesn't just hurt, it changes how you show up, how you speak, how you eventually care about someone. If you ever said, they hear me, but they don't listen to me, this video is for you. So thank you for joining me. You will love Dr. Pamela. I'm going to do this talk the best I can about why you're not paying attention, why you need to listen in relationships. And I'm doing this because we really need to understand this is one of the greatest power of how you have great relationship is paying attention and listening. So I'm going to do my best to get you to understand where I'm going with this. So stay with me to the end and you'll understand a lot that's going to help you forward in relationships that you're already in or relationships you're seeking to be in, okay? This is going to help you get the mate that you want or keep the mate you already have, okay? So you would love Dr. Pamela. Thank you for joining me. We're on another talk that's going to help you on this journey of relationships, okay? And we're going to give you all the information that you need. Now, if you don't know me, I've been doing this for over 15 years, and I help people find love, get love, keep love, and especially enhance love. And right now, I've been doing a lot of talk on helping you understand the character and the characteristic and behavior of people so that you can deal with them better in your relationship and have a successful relationship. So stay with me on this journey. Make sure you hit the notification button, like and subscribe. And I really, truly appreciate any comments or any other things you'd like for me to talk about. Please go and put a comment for me. Okay. All right. So let's get right into this. Now, this one I wanted to do because I talk about this all the time in all my talks about paying attention and listening within relationships. And this happened because I work with men and I work with women, and a lot of times those relationships that I've talked with or spoke with, they look fine on the outside, but emotionally in those relationships, they were feeling invisible. And this has nothing to do with no cheating, no dramatic blow up. This was just one person within that relationship. Other felt like they were mentally somewhere else. Okay? What does that mean? So I'm going to break it down why your mate may not be listening. I'm going to break down what is costing your relationship. I'm going to also show you how to get the attention without chasing and nagging or arguing, because that's what's happening. So let's first talk about what I'm talking about when I say pay attention. So paying attention in relationship is just not about hearing words. Paying attention is an intentional choice to understand what is happening in the present of a situation, what you're engaged in and what you respond to and what you experience. And you have to pay attention in order to communicate better with that person so you can have a greater value within that relationship. So when attention goes, the connection grows. So when you understand what someone is trying to say to you within a relationship and what they see in you, then you can better deal with them. But if you're not paying attention, you're going to miss something and you're going to resent something and you're going to have a disconnect. Got me? So this is why I'm talking about this. Now, I'm going to give you reason that I found that people don't listen and why they're not listening. Because a lot of times we don't really listen when we get caught up and emotionally involved in our situations or within relationships or the expectation. And when that happens, you're ignoring you because you're not listening to what they're doing because you're so overwhelmed with your emotional situations or emotional things that are happening in your life. So you don't really pay attention. And that emotional thing could be you try to get the kids taken care of, you handling the things that's going on at your job. You may have your business that you're trying to, keep up and take care of your employees. I could go on and on. And so what happens when you get with someone or you just, let's say, come home with your mate, you're exhausted and you're drained, that your brain is not paying attention. And so you're not paying attention to the other person, right? So what are you missing? Something that causes the disconnect. This is why I'm talking about you're not paying attention. Because when you begin to stop showing a person the love or the care, you don't realize it because you're dealing with your own emotions. Are you with me? And so you really have to pay attention to that. Another thing that you do is when you feel somebody has attacked you within the relationship, you don't accept the criticism. And so you feel like being criticized and you stop listening to a person who's telling you things that is bothering them because you only focus on what they criticize you about. Are you with me? Every conversation is not going to be a blame. You may feel like it's a blame. So it's just a person's telling you how they're feeling. And this is why I'm talking about paying attention, because you get disconnected within relationships and you're not paying attention when the disconnect happens. It's just like distractions is one. You get caught up being distracted or you're easily distracted. And it's like the phone, your TV, social media. Your attention is all on that. And so now the person you have a relationship with is trying to compete with that. You understand? And so you're not listening or paying attention to your relationship. You're not seeing that somebody may be opening their heart to you or wanting to give you time, but you're not there because you're focused on the TV, the phone, and social media. This is what I'm talking about. You're not paying attention to. And this is why some people have issues in their relationship. And this is why things change. You're not paying attention. It comes with a situation that happened. And one of them is, I talk about in the beginning when you meet someone, that you have to pay attention to what they say. You have to pay attention to how they make you feel. Because if you don't, you're going to resent them not recognizing you. And now you have a block up because there's no connection, because you didn't pay attention to what they said they like or didn't like. You see what I mean? Because you were caught up in where you were and the food, and you're not connecting. You see? And so you go head on in the relationship because you like something else about that person, but you really never really paid attention to the lack of connection. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Another one is when you want to be in control of someone. You're not really paying attention to their desires. You're really not even listening to what they want or don't want, because you want to be in control or empowered or dominant in the relationship. So it doesn't matter what they say or what they think or what they like or what their desires are. You dismiss everything that they say. You decide what matters because you want to be in control. And so you have to pay attention to people that are that way, because they're trying to control you. And they're using the control and power over you and not focusing on that relationship. You see? And so you have to really, really, really pay attention to a person that's trying to control you. And this is what I'm trying to tell you about paying attention to people. This is not what you want in a relationship. You can beat that before you even get to the next level in the relationship, based on the way they act. It's just like dealing with somebody you met. Another one is when they're emotionally immature. But you weren't paying attention. You didn't even recognize that they didn't even know how to have a conversation with you. Because you didn't even have a conversation with them. So they don't even know how to talk. They probably got their head in their phone. Or you got your head in your phone. And you think that's emotional connection. And it's not. Because you weren't paying attention to how they were. And then when you get in the relationship with them and you're living with them or either married to them and now they're still doing the same thing, now you feel emotionally neglected. No, they was doing that when y'all were dating. You just didn't pay attention. You see where I'm going? Another one is, and I talk about it all the time, is dealing with people who are not accountable. You're not paying attention to the way where they're going and what they're doing to take you out, or what they're saying when they make a decision to take you out. You're not paying attention. You're not paying attention to how they're not listening to you. They're doing things their way. They avoid hearing you at all. They done already made their decision of what they're going to do. They're not changing what they've decided to do. So, and then one of the ones that I would say about when you don't pay attention is when a person, or not listening to you, is when a person already telling you they know what you was going to say. How you know what I was going to say? Oh my God, that assumption kills me. People, and there's a lot of people that make an assumption in relationship. They assume that you so into them. They assume that you want them. And it's not. And it's, the person can be a person that complain all the time, or just get on your nerve. But and they just it's just like they already know, like they know what you was gonna do and say. No, you didn't. But you didn't pay attention to that personality. Here's the thing of the consequences of not listening. When listening disappears in a relationship, so does the emotional connection. Because you're going to be frustrated because you were misunderstood because that person wasn't paying attention or listening. You're going to feel less affectionate because they don't even know what it is that you like. Then they're less motivated to communicate. And you didn't pay attention to that in the beginning of that relationship. So the danger is this: you have to stop talking before you start caring. You understand? You've got to recognize and understand people on the basis of how they talk and treat you. You've got to learn to pay attention and be just a little quiet and listen to what they are saying. And so that you can understand what they're saying. You don't have to be heard all the time. The thing is, when you're listening to people that you're getting to know or that you're in a relationship right now, it creates a present. It creates trust. You have a less conflict. You have deepened intimacy. And you feel chosen by each other and by your mate when you listen. Meaning you're listening to what they're desiring and what they want and what they like and what they don't like, what bothers them. You learn those things. And that's why I'm talking about pay attention and listen. It lessens your getting yourself in a situation. And so when I'm talking about certain things about your mate, paying attention, it helps you stop competing and being distracted. And it requests and requires your presence in relationships. You got to learn to do that. Lead with your feelings, not with accusations. Set your boundaries so that you can, repeat how you like yourself to do and be and have. And you can express that to your mate. You understand? So, listening and paying attention to someone clearly gives you a clear access to their heart and their emotions. Because when a person is telling you how they feel and what bothers you, you get clear intentions of what they're feeling. Because they believe that they can trust you enough to talk to you and feel close enough to tell you things because you listen. Stop always trying to be the center of attention and getting all, being the one to always gotta be what they call, your ego get you in the way of not paying attention and listening. If you've tried everything and nobody is listening to you, then they're not willing to change. And the issue is no longer the lack of communication, it's a behavior problem. You understand? And so you have to learn to stop putting yourself in a place of lack. Put yourself in a place that you are seen. And if no one is paying attention or listening to you, then that is not a relationship that's going to take you to the next level, because they're only thinking about themselves. You see? And that's what I really wanted you to get to understand. When a person is into their own world and they're only living their own life and don't care about what you say or paying attention to anything you said, they're just into themselves. Okay? So, I hope that by the information that I give you this, that you remember this. You don't need to talk louder to be heard. You don't have to do certain things to be heard. It's about having a conversation and a strategy to understand somebody when you're talking and paying attention to the changes that a person sees in you. Because if you're paying attention and listening to somebody, you'll know when the change in your relationship has changed dramatically. And it matters. So you really have to pay attention and listen in your relationship. Okay? So you've been with Love Dr. Pamela. I'll be back, and coming soon. Look for it. Look out. I'm gonna be promoting events, and we're gonna get together, and I'm gonna help you understand all that you experience within your relationship. It's a journey. We're going to keep journeying on through love. So thank you for being with me. We'll be back with the Love Dr. Pamela, and we'll be talking more about what? Love, love, love.